Hey Build Space. So I just wanted to give y'all a little status update on what we've been working on this week. So mostly I've been working on the website here. So we have the first get on the page. You can see this little 3D model that you can kind of play around with of what our drone is at right now. I still have one more version to update this with, but it's in a different format, so it's going to take some messing around with. But hopefully I'll get this in that actually has the actuators down here, so it'll be full, and then hopefully getting it into in color, so it's not just gray like that. And then we have a little icon that I made here, and then our section. So just a little like text section, this little video. It's showing our drone moving around. The actual deployment mechanism. I want to add some actual photos that the drone will take and stuff to give some more visual stuff here. Then we have this newsletter section where people can put in their email and subscribe to the newsletter, and so we'll keep in communication with people, show them status updates for our project. And then I added this Patreon link here. I wanted to have a way for people to be able to donate if they want to and follow along with our progress, and so I kind of felt like the best way to do that was with Patreon. And so right now I'm kind of thinking of doing videos of making our showing our progress, and then having people able to donate that way as a possible source of income worth a shot. And then we also updated our README here in our repository, so we kind of made it prettier, added our slide and that deployment video, and showing some of our work that we've done with the actual object detection, and what we're working on with the augmented reality overlay. And we've made a little bit of progress on that this week as well. We've been kind of lost in the weeds of actually doing the math for calculating the distances and the vectors for that. But yeah, so that's what we've been working on this week. Thank you guys. Appreciate your support. Have a good one.